All right, so hi guys, good morning. So this is Joda, and if you're just stumbling on my YouTube page, please kindly like, share, and subscribe. All right, so this morning I'll be teaching you how to connect the proxy on your Android phone. Okay, these are for our new members. How to connect a proxy to your Android phone. Okay, so what you would need to download, you need to download Super Proxy app. You need to download Super Proxy app, and then you get access to your paid proxy. You get access to your paid proxy, right? And then that's basically what you need. So once you have your proxy, I'll be showing you how to load your proxy so that you can max your location and change the location of your phone to US, to UK, to anywhere you want it to be. So without further ado, let's get right at it. So this is what you would need. This is the app you would need. Yeah, so this is it. This is the app you will be needing. This is it, Super Proxy. So you can check it out on Google Play Store to download. So if you want to add a proxy to your, if you want to use a Super Proxy to max your phone using a proxy, this is how you load it. Once you open the app, it's going to be like this. You see, if you look at the top of mine, you will see default proxy. You will see new socks. Yours may not have this, okay, because your own is new. It might be blank. So the next thing to do is to click add proxy. Can you see? You click add proxy, a new profile. You can just name the proxy anything so that you know what it is anytime you want to log in. I can just call it USA. I can just say USA. I can just say USA Joda. Okay. So what type of proxy is it? What's the protocol? Is it a SOX 5 or is HTTP? So that's important. So on from the source you're getting the proxy, they will tell you, you'll see there if the proxy is a SOX 5 or is a HTTP. So for the one I want to use for this is a SOX 5, but I don't even know if the proxy is still active or it has expired. I just got it from one of those free sites, and it's not that very recommendable for surveys, because somebody else might have used that same proxy for the survey, and when you come later to use it, you may have issues. You may be getting lots of disqualification, or if the proxy has so much bad fraud score, your account may be banned. So it's a SOX 5. So the next thing to do is look for the server of the proxy, the port, and then does it have an authentication password? If it has, then you click this drop down menu and click password, then use the username and the password. So what's the DNS? You can leave the DNS resolution as proxy. So let's get a detail, but I don't know if the detail is still active. I don't know if it's still active. Okay, so I'm going to click let me just, okay, let me pick this. Don't know if it's still active. So that's my guy's chat. I just copied the IP from somewhere and I pasted it there so that I can just pick it up. Okay, let me just paste a lot of it here. So so you see this United States is going to go. This United States is going to go. So from that proxy now, this last side is the password. So I'll just cut this last side and I'll paste it in the password. I don't know if it's still active though. So this is the username. I'll just cut it. I'll paste it as the username. So this, can you see this I selected is the port. So I'll just copy and paste it on the port. So this 173.212.23 is the server. So I'll leave that. So I'll just clean all of this and leave it like this. So you see my proxy checker is going to check it. You see the server is showing a tick for my server. It means the server is intact and is live. So it says it has ticked it. But for the port has expired, so it's showing a red. So if that this port is correct, it should have also shown a tick. The password, the username and the password, it will also show a tick for it, and that's all. Then you just save and you continue. But this proxy is a free proxy. It mostly has expired, or the user has changed the information. Yes, I have a proxy that I use. I have different proxies in short that I use. So I don't want to use any of my proxy on a live video that will be out there. So that's why I don't want to use it to start logging in. Okay, so after that, if you see this green tick for all of it, it means the proxy is set and okay. Then you click save. You can see the save like a memory card at the top right. Then you click a save, this save here. That's all. Once you click a save, it's going to save for you, and then you can click connect. If I click connect, it's not going to connect because why? My informations are not active. The port is not active, so it's not going to connect. So there's no need stressing. But let's try. If I, you see, it's not going to work. So the proxy is having issues. So that's all. So if you come back to your profile, can you see it is saved as Joda Joda what USA Joda. So it's saved. Anytime you want to connect, you come back here, click it, and you what save. Right, come back, click it, and you save. Now for here, I have a proxy that is already here, so let me just click it. Now you see, for this proxy is having, a what, a protocol of HTTPS. Now let me just click this edit. Can you see? Can you see that all the greens are ticked? This is what I'm saying. All these greens should be ticked. Can you see that they are ticked? They are ticked. What's the protocol? The protocol is HTTP. On that, the other one I said is a SOX 5 because that particular where I got it from is SOX 5 they give. But for this now, it's a HTTP socks, right? So you can see I chose HTTP. So I'll just save it and I will click on start. Can you see it has connected? That's the difference. It has connected. So I'll just minimize and then open my browser to see if this proxy is if my location has been maxed. Then I'll just come here. I'll just put my IP score ipscore.io. Okay, can you see my IP score showed that I am connected to what, USA. I am connected to what, United States. Look at it. United States is a business IP. What's the first score? The first score is 19. The next first score is 19. Well, this proxy is also another free proxy. I got it from another free site. So first score is 18. So try as much as possible to always get IPs that have low first score, most likely 0. So you can see it has connected. My phone is no longer in what's it called? It's no longer in my my country. It's now in US. So that's how to connect your phone using a super proxy on Android, or most likely to on iPhone, but maybe it might be very slow or might not even really work well. So you see this first score in 19. Please try to always get proxies where the first scores are 0. Like you see, for this proxy, I am not using it for any of my survey. I just use it to access some sites and maybe some tutorials that I need to use proxy. I just use it there. I avoid it for important places because you can see the first score is quite low, but it has been connected. So that's that. Peace and love, guys.